Try online Splunk Enterprise Certified Admin SPLK-1003 Real questions to practice. 1. Which Splunk component distributes apps and certain other configuration updates to search head cluster members? A. Deployer, B. Cluster master, C. Deployment server, D. Search head cluster master. Answer: C. 2. Which Splunk component requires a forwarder license? A. Search head, B. Heavy forwarder, C. Heaviest forwarder, D. Universal forwarder. Answer: B. 3. Which Splunk forwarder type allows parsing of data before forwarding to an indexer? A. Universal forwarder, B. Parsing forwarder, C. Heavy forwarder, D. Advanced forwarder. Answer: C. 4. Which of the following statements describe deployment management? Select all that apply. A. Requires an enterprise license. B. Is responsible for sending apps to forwarders. C. Once used, is the only way to manage forwarders. D. Can automatically restart the host OS running the forwarder. Answer: A. B. 5. How is data handled by Splunk during the input phase of the data ingestion process? A. Data is treated as streams. B. Data is broken up into events. C. Data is initially written to disk. D. Data is measured by the license meter. Answer: A. 6. An organization wants to collect Windows performance data from a set of clients. However, installing Splunk software on these clients is not allowed. What option is available to collect this data in Splunk Enterprise? A. Use local Windows host monitoring. B. Use Windows remote inputs with WMI. C. Use local Windows network monitoring. D. Use an index with an index data type of metrics. Answer: B. 7. Which of the following statements accurately describes using SSL to secure the feed from a forwarder? A. It does not encrypt the certificate password. B. SSL automatically compresses the feed by default. C. It requires that the forwarder be set to compressed equals true. D. It requires that the receiver be set to compression equals true. Answer: A. 8. Which of the following is the use case for the deployment server feature of Splunk? A. Managing distributed workloads in a Splunk environment. B. Automating upgrades of Splunk forwarder installations on endpoints. C. Orchestrating the operations and scale of a containerized Splunk deployment. D. Updating configuration and distributing apps to processing components, primarily forwarders. Answer: D. 9. What action is required to enable forwarder management in Splunk Web? A. Navigate to Settings, Server Settings, General Settings, and set an app server port. B. Navigate to Settings, Forwarding and Receiving, and click on Enable Forwarding. C. Create a server class and map it to a client in Splunk_home/etc/system/local/server-class.con. D. Place an app in the Splunk_home, etc. deployment apps directory of the deployment server. Answer: C. 10. Which of the methods listed below supports multi-factor authentication? A. Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, LDAP. B. Security Assertion Markup Language, SAML. C. Single Sign-On, SSO. D. OpenLD. Answer: B.